MTL, ma ville.
Ici Lady Special K alias Kitty Antoine, en direct de Montréal pour la chronique Montréal, ma ville. À chaque année, c'est toujours le même scénario. Quand l'automne arrive, je m'excite. Et c'est pas parce qu'on se rapproche de Noël, mais c'est plutôt parce que je sais qu'il va y avoir la tenue du festival Pop Montréal. Le festival Pop Montréal en est à sa 7e édition et à chaque année, ça grandit de plus en plus. Juste cette année, ils vont accueillir plus de 400 groupes qui vont performer dans plusieurs salles de la ville de Montréal. Ça va durer du 1er au 5 octobre. Et ce soir, je suis venue rencontrer un groupe américain que j'ai rencontré, que j'ai découvert tout récemment, qui s'appelle The Freshest Kids. Ce soir, on se retrouve au Coda en compagnie de Freshest Kids. Avec un nom comme ça, ils peuvent pas être rien de plus qu'intéressant. Alors, je vous présente tout de suite Ezekiel 38, Vortex et Itchy Finger. Alors, guys, I'm so glad you're here tonight. You're in Montreal for the Pop Montreal Festival. Introduce yourself. Where are you from?
My name is Ezekiel 38. I'm from Chicago, and I represent a crew called Virtual Vertigo, which is me and Vortex.
I'm Cerebral Vortex. I'm from also Virtual Vertigo, and I'm also half of the crew 215, the Freshest Kids, which consists of Cerebral Vortex and Buddy Leroy, which isn't here right now. And I'm from San Antonio, Texas, but the crew is based out of San Francisco.
I'm Itchy Fingers or Itch 13. I'm from Chicago, born and raised. I'm a producer, MC, and Virtual Vertigo's DJ.
What I like about Pop Montreal, it's a rare chance to introduce the city to like new groups, new acts, you know. So what are you guys all about? Tell us a bit more about your style, what you represent, your music. How would you describe it?
Pretty much like the best thing that would describe our music is like forgetting about all the things that's negative in life and just like letting the music like bring the party aspect into your world, and like pretty much like pop culture. Like we're like a walking representation of like pop culture.
I show the world what's the stars above it. If you like it, then you know that I love it. If you cat needs attention, you know I'm a Robin. Shamaka, no other chicks can dub it. On the youth line, so let's get righteous.
Does the Freshest Kids has an album out, or are you working on a project?
The Freshest Kids actually have an album out with a producer named Rusty. It's on a label called Stuff Records out of Glasgow, and it's out now and it's available, so you can pick it up. It's called Cafe de Fresh, and it consists of 4 tracks. And it's really interesting. This next level was breaking into a new genre that people have put a label on called Aqua Crunk. So we're pretty much the mouthpieces for that, along with Rusty being a production element of the whole Aqua Crunk thing.
I guess I just want to say thanks, for all the love that Montreal showed us, all the fam out in Montreal, respect. And, let's keep it moving. 2009 is looking real promising for both Virtual Vertigo and Freshest Kids, Good Life, everybody else Francophone. So let's just stay connected and get at us if you want to hear more or check us out. You can check out the Freshest Kids at myspace.com/215TFK or Virtual Vertigo at myspace/Virtual Vertigo.